Los Angeles is awash with talk about renewable energy, and in this Virtually Rick, we bathe you in knowledge as to how a liquid can soak us in great power. Ice cubes, really, guys? I'm of course talking about hydroelectric power, so come with me, let's get virtual. Ha! And roughly 21% of California's power comes from 269 hydroelectric plants using water to generate electricity. Here's how power from water happens. You have to make it move, and it's all about the amount and how high up it is that counts. By the time it comes down, it's quite powerful, a bit like standing under Niagara Falls. That's gonna hurt. But generating electricity won't happen if you don't give a damn. Use one. A dam holds back water, making a reservoir. Then huge underwater gates open and allow the water and force it along a tunnel where it strikes the turbine. It turns massive blades that then drive the shaft of a generator above, making electricity. Voila! Pretty straightforward stuff. What's really interesting, though, is that the Department of Energy has found 90% of dams across the US don't generate electricity, and that yet more gigawatts of power could be created by converting 50,000 of them. There is a downside, though. In a recent, excuse the pun, damming report, it was found that dams may actually trap important sediments vital for plant life, and that as the plants die out, they release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, actually contributing to global warming itself. So using dams might not actually be very green at all. And with Lake Elsinore also the focus of a new dam building project, and local residents uneasy about the possibility of power lines causing a wildfire, perhaps dams may not be the future of hydropower at all. The solution could oddly be wind. Well, the same sort of technology anyway. Some success has been generated by the world's first grid-connected tidal array off the wee Scottish Isles of Shetland, working much like a wind farm, but slightly wetter because it's under the sea, well duh. The changing tides move the blades and create electricity in much the same way as their landlubber cousins. All of this, of course, relies upon one rather important thing, actually having water. And if there's a drought, well, that could certainly reduce the amount you have to generate electricity with a dam. Perhaps being so close to the ocean, it might be sensible to start throwing science at the sea, like our Scottish relatives. However, the left coast isn't short of brilliant minds, so let's hope in future we can all put our faith in holy water.